Welcome to Cognition Unleashed. If you want to master static electricity, you have come to the right place. By the end of the lesson, you will understand what static electricity is, how it is formed, how lightning happens, and a few tips on how to stay safe during a lightning storm. At the end of the video, I also unleash a small activity for you to see how much smarter you have become. In order to understand static electricity, we need to cover the basics of an atom. Atoms have subatomic particles. Protons are positively charged, neutrons are neutral, and electrons are negatively charged. The neutral neutrons and the positive protons are found in the nucleus, and the negative electrons are found in the orbitals. If the atom or object is neutral, like the one in this diagram, it means it has equal numbers of protons and electrons. So what is static electricity? When we rub two objects against each other, it means we are causing friction. During this process, electrons are transferred from one object to another. The object that gains electrons will be negatively charged, and the one that loses electrons will be positively charged. Opposite charges attract, and like charges repel. When an object has more electrons than protons, for example, there is an imbalance of charge, and that is what we call static electricity. Let us look at these diagrams to see if you understand the principles on charged objects. I will be asking 3 questions. You may pause before I provide the answer for each question so that you can test your own understanding. Number 1. Which object is neutral? If you said the yellow one, you are correct. Number 2. What is the overall charge on the other 2 objects? The green one is positively charged because it has more protons. The blue one is negatively charged because it has more electrons. Number 3. Would the blue and green objects repel or attract one another? They will attract one another because they are unlike charges. Lightning is an example of static electricity, but how does it form? We have water particles in the cloud that undergo movement. This movement causes particles to collide into each other, creating friction. This friction results in positive charges at the top of the cloud and a buildup of negative charges at the bottom of the cloud. These negative charges at the bottom of the cloud will be attracted to the earth. Because of the buildup of this charge and increasing attraction, the charge will be discharged to the ground. That's when we see the light and hear the thunder. The thunder is caused by the expansion of the air because of the moving charge, and the lightning is caused by the charges of the earth and the charges of the cloud meeting. I think it's best that we cover a few safety measures for you to use the next time there's a lightning storm. Number 1, run indoors, or at least get into the car. Number 2, stay away from hills and any other high-lying areas. Number 3, keep a safe distance from anything that conducts electricity. Anything with metal is a hazard. Number 4, do not stand under a tree. Well done, you have unleashed the activity. Pause the video, set up a 9-minute timer and begin. Once you are done, you may view the answers on the next slide. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment below. Subscribers may request content they would like covered. Good luck for whatever upcoming exam you have. See you in the next video.